So let's see today's problem of the day. So what question says that we will be given an array of it is called citizen array. It means citizen means reference to the given research paper. So suppose the ith index represents some research paper and the value at that index represent how many it has reference. So what you have to find? You have to find h index. What is h index? H index basically means suppose 3 is your h index. That means you should have at least 3 paper which has 3 or more than 3 citizen value for that research paper. So you have to find maximum value of h. So let's go to the example like this is an array. How the output is 3. If output 3 is the maximum value of h possible, it means there should be at least 3 research papers that has a minimum 3 or more than 3 citizen value. So there are 3 values like 3, 5 and 3. It could be more than 3 but there should be a 3 value which is greater than or equal to 3. So in here 3 is maximum and here 2 is maximum. Like there are 2 values which are greater than or equal to 2. Actually there are 3 values 5, 2 and 4. So we can move it to bit bigger number like 3. If we count for 3 there should be at least 3 or more than 3 value which has value greater than or equal to 3. But there are only 2 values. That's why the answer is 2. So to solve let's move to the logic part. So what we can see that the count should be greater than or equal to my h index. So we can just sort it in reverse order and just iterate and ith index we iterate from the starting. After sorting it in reverse order like the greater value will be starting and it will be in decreasing order. So if we are at ith index and the value at ith index is greater than or equal to I plus 1, it means that all the value to its left is greater than or equal to I plus 1. What does it mean? That if we are at fourth index and the value at the fourth index is 5, like 0 base index negative, so the left of it will be always greater than or equal to 5. So the means that is always the solution. But we want maximum, so we will move further. So what I'm trying to say, let's see. I'm just saying that you just sort the array in reverse order and just iterate it from the starting. So the citizen value at any ith index if it is greater than I plus 1, then that could be our answer. Why? Because at ith index if the value is 5 and I plus 1, suppose it is 3. So the citizen value is 5 and this is 3. Like it is I is 2 and plus 1 is 3. So what does it mean? 5 value is on the second index. So to its left index like position 1 and 0, the value will obviously be greater than 5. It could be anything but it could be greater than or equal to 5. And it is satisfying the condition that if our answer could be 3, so there would be definitely 3 numbers that are greater than 3. In this case, the second index is 5 and it would be anything but it will be greater than 5. It will be obviously greater than 2, 3. If it is true, then we can also update our answer. At last we will be storing its maximum value and thus answer is our answer. We will get this answer.